I just got my package today for my Subaru. It says you have to be very cautious, so I'm gonna carefully take it down. It's right here. So excited, I had to open it up, you know. They say you have to be very careful with it, so I'm literally gonna take like 5 minutes to bring it downstairs. Oops. It's very fragile. Have to be very careful with it. Forgive me. What's up, everybody? So as you guys know, I got a new part for my car and it's very fragile. A few weeks back I actually ordered something for my car, and this was before Toby was down, okay? Because Toby is still down right now, so this is kind of dumb that I'm gonna add something to my car, but it's not really dumb because I had ordered this a long time ago. So don't judge me that I haven't fixed Toby yet, because he is a hard man to work on. I just decided that today I'm gonna be adding this lip that I bought for it like a long time ago, because I've had it in my room and honestly I don't want it in my room anymore. It's just taking up too much space. Like, look how big this is. Look at it. It's like bigger than me. Taller than me. No, I'm kidding. I should probably get up. You guys ready to see it? You guys ready? Can I get a drum roll? Here it is. Ta-da! This is it, guys. How do we put this on anyways? This morning I was sleeping in my bed when, when 11:33 a.m. when I heard somebody outside my house doing donuts. It was right there and they woke me up. I was sleeping, okay? I don't wake up till 1, so that was rude. To tell you the truth, a lot of you guys come do it. I hear a lot of people do like donuts and a lot of crazy stuff right here. I actually don't mind it. I don't mind it, but you know who does? Not me. No, but you know who does though, for real? My neighbor. My neighbor minds it. Like last time I was doing it there too, and he was like, what did he say? I forgot what he said, but they always try to take video of me drifting there. I'm not gonna say which one. Nah, I'm kidding. I'm not gonna say which one, but I do want to let you guys know that they hate it. I know because they told me something about it, but I said, but if you guys want to do donuts there, I don't mind. Do you, boo? If you guys get caught, that's how you. No. Okay, so I opened up my trunk and I had my water here and it went flying. I didn't get to see it, but I just heard it. Watch this. Damn, he went boom. I'm gonna just take off the bumper real quick and get started. Good thing I have this in hand. I always keep one of these in my shoe. Pop, lock, and drop it. Pop, lock, and drop. Oh my gosh. I don't think that was supposed to happen. Cheapy. Son cheapies. Okay. You can go up now, sir. Oh my gosh. I thought that was Bubba. Dougie. Sir. Come here. Let's go get his walk. I bought him this. Wait, Daddy, the baby. Because his... Oh, he's not eating it. Come on. Eat it.
You know what it is?
What?
He might be like, maybe if he's been out here for so long, it's so hot.
Yeah.
And he don't have water or anything. I'll take him.
Okay.
Yeah.
We think that the little doggy got hit. It was like not all there. But I'm so glad and thankful that the neighbor, she took him in. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this now. Zip tie is life. This is what happens when you don't have scissors. Woohoo! Things here. Now for the final. It smells weird. It smells like plastic. Your foods are made of plastic. I hear the socks. The down of the food. Your foods are made of plastic. Whoa. It's like Christmas all over again. If someone gave me this for Christmas or my birthday, I would be like, oh my god. And this is how you put it on. Exactly like this. It'll be like a bowl. Okay. It looks like I shouldn't have any problems. It looks like I shouldn't, but who knows. It came with the screws, so it made it 10 times more easy. I thought I was gonna have to go buy some right now, but no, it came with some. Look at this. So I'm just putting them on there quickly. This is cool. Finally, I could throw this box away. It's my little boo thing. That's my little boo thing. Shawty got the fatty. Blue or green? Blue or green? Marvin the tap dancing horse. Ugh. Guys, this is actually super easy to do. I'll show you guys right now. There's like this little hole right here. I don't like this little hole here. I like this little part right here where it looks all flush. But this little hole here just throws me off, and I'll show you in a bit. I hope it doesn't look too bad on the car once I have it on. Wow. I have to live with this ugly lip for the rest of my life. Alrighty guys, I'll show you once I'm done. I have a few left, so just hold on tight. You know what's crazy? That I've actually never washed Toby before. I've never given him a car wash. Can you guys believe? All right, I'm gonna go to AutoZone right now because I need new little bolts or whatever these are called, like little plasticky things. I need some new ones. Let's take a trip, guys. Let's go. Let me go ahead and grab my keys. Let's go. The cool thing is that I'm like super close to an AutoZone. I live so close to an AutoZone and O'Reilly, because you guys know I go to both even though I don't like AutoZone all that much. Hopefully they can help me out. If not, I'm gonna have to leave. Whew. If only my AC worked. If only my AC worked. What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? Maybe we'll see another Z. Why is it that every time I drive my Z, I never find another Z? But when I drive my other car, like a regular car, I always find a bunch of cool cars. Like, what? Not fair. Not fair. Ooh, what is that? Oh, they're going to AutoZone. I want to say it was a, I don't know if it was an RX-8 or a, I don't know what it was, but like I just saw it. It was a nice blue, a nice like teal blue. Who's honking? Don't tell me the guy behind me started honking at me. That's the rudest thing ever. Ooh, it is going in. I don't know what kind of car it is though. Let's see. I'm legally blind. I'm legally blind. Hurry up, bro. Look how slow. Like, bro, we don't got a we don't got a day for you. We don't got a day for you. Ooh, parking right next to a motorcycle. It's beautiful. You're beautiful. All right, let's go get what we gotta get and get the hell out of here, because as you guys know, the sun is going down and it is not waiting for no one. It ain't waiting for a damn person. Oh shit, mask. Thank you. Forgot to put my mask on. This kind of looks like it. Whoa, I'm gonna need 10 of these. Super woo. Okay, so they only had 4 of the little bolts that I needed. And I'm hoping that they work just fine. If not, well, I think they should work just fine. They look relatively similar. And they only had 2 in stock. They said another place though has 4 in stock. And it's perfect because 4 times 2 is 8, and I have these, so it'll be perfect. I only need 10 of them. Let's go. Let's go. Whoa. Oh, I thought that was a cop. Oh my God, I thought that was a cop for a second. That one right there. What's that? Yeah, so hopefully these little guys work. It came out to 10 bucks, guys, just for 2. For this and this, it came out to 10 bucks. Is it me or is it kind of expensive? It's the Snickers fault, that's why. Moment of truth. Quapam! There we go, and papam. They fit pretty snug in there. Quapam. This is so fun. The real. So this is how it looks. I don't know how I feel about it yet. I don't know if I like it. Maybe because my car's not done yet, so it looks a little off right now. I definitely think it looks way better than it did before. Oh shit. Oh, not bad. Right now I decided to watch Nelson because tomorrow is a very big day. I'm gonna be caravanning with like 1 or 2 people. There's a 6-year-old boy who has cancer, and like literally all he wanted for his birthday is for a bunch of cars to pass by. I guess he really likes cars and he just wants to see a lot of cool cars and stuff like that. So I'm like, whoa, let's freaking go. Just washing up Nelson. All right, we got the soap. Some water. Nelson is ready for tomorrow. Now it's time to eat, guys. But I made some delicious tacos. Boy, I'm about to show you guys. Woohoo! Thank you, Suera. Tacos preparados. Not first bite, but here goes another bite for you guys. It's potato taco. These are literally my favorite tacos in the world. I could eat like 6 of them. Before I end off this video, I do want to give out a post notification shout out, and that goes out to Alex Ecstatic. Thank you so much for turning the post notifications on. And if you guys want a shout out at the end of my video, then you guys know what to do. Turn on that post notification and be the first to comment, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching and making it this far. And if you made it this far, then you're a freaking real one. And all you gotta do is comment the emoji of the day, which is going to be... Do they have tacos as emojis? Do they have taco emojis? Let me check. Alright, so I just checked and they do in fact have a taco emoji. So make sure to comment a taco emoji down below and I'll really appreciate it. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day or nights. And I'll see you guys very soon. Peace out.
Nigga shooting a boy.